Hi guys, good morning. Today, pupunta tayo sa Bird Paradise and River Wonders here in Singapore. Ito ngang Bird Paradise, ito daw yung pinakamalaking bird sanctuary here in Singapore. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa park ng Admiralty. Itong park na to, malapit lang doon sa tinutuloyan kong apartment or HDB. And look at that guys. Kung makikita nyo, napakaganda. And this is just a typical park dito sa Singapore. Pwede kayo dyan mag-jogging, relax, walking, and have a breath of fresh air. Ayan. So, napakaganda talaga dito. Maririnig nyo yung raindrops, yung air, sobrang fresh dito. So yun na nga guys, on the way na tayo sa Bird Paradise. So kita tayo ng ulan, but it's like a blessing na rin kasi here in Singapore, napakainit. Imagine pag di umulan, so hulas agad tayo, hindi pa tayo nakakarating. So see ya! So ito lang guys, nandito na tayo sa bus papuntang Mandai Zoo again. And pupunta nga tayo sa Bird Paradise. So yun guys, umaandar na yung bus. And bago ang lahat, pag-usapan natin kung magkano ba ang ticket. Actually, yung original price niya is $49 sa online. Sa mismong website na Mandai Singapore Zoo. But nabili ko lang siya sa Carousel for only $35. So malaki-laki yung savings natin. Almost, how much ba? 9 plus 5, almost $14 din. So I recommend na kung nagtitipid kayo, bumili kayo sa Carousel. Search nyo ang Bird Paradise ticket and marami dong mga sellers na legit naman. So yun. So now guys, nakababa na tayo ng bus and ito na, paakyat na tayo. Welcome to Mandai Wildlife West Bird Paradise. Bird Paradise. Field trip na mga bata ulit. Then dun sa banda dun, merong membership and experiences. So today, kahit maulan, maraming tourists. And look at that view. Okay, ang saya kasi may mga bata ulit at makikisama tayo mamaya sa kanila. Gamitin na natin yung online ticket para pumasok sa loob. So guys, here's the park map. So based on the map, we have to go to the right. So upon the entrance, you can see that there's a beautiful falls here. Yan, napakaganda guys. So you can see the water, very clear, plus the falls. Look at that falls. Can you hear the sounds of the falls? So nice. So yan guys, pupunta na tayo sa mga dapat natin puntahan. Orchid Waterfall, penguins, into the heart of Africa. It's in the level 3. Guys, itong elevator is like you're in the jungle. Very nice, very cozy style. We're here at the level 3. Here, there's also a tram where we can ride later on. Guys, kahit umuulan, maganda pa rin pumunta dito. Kasi meron tayong mga shelters or mga pathways with roof. Ang masasabi ko dito, very convenient kasi may mga signages, hindi ka maliligaw. And napakaganda ng design like this one. Heart of Africa, this habitat shines a spotlight on some of the most unique, impressive birds found only in amazing Africa. There's a very nice gateway. Look at that. Birds. Isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa Bird Paradise is the chirping of the birds. Ito yung literal na nakaka-relax. So natural. I love nature, guys. So look at that. Hey guys, may nakita tayo ditong bird. Very tame lang siya. So yun guys, late na tayo sa amphitheater. Mamaya na tayo mag-video ng mga birds. Kasi sayang naman yung show kung di natin maaabutan. Let's have a closer look of the vulture. So big. Yeah. See? So these vultures are carnivores. They eat flesh. So medyo late ako dun sa naging show. So guys, tapos na nga yung Predators on Wings. And ngayon, maggala pa tayo dito sa Birds Paradise. we're here again at the amphitheater.
Use plastic materials. Let's see what we have here. I have three.
Alright, let's get into that.
So let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello?
Oh.
Say hello. So as you all know, his name is Amigo, but he can
Amigo.
sing his name as well. Okay?
So
Everyone
smart,
listen to this.
Amigo.
Can you tell everyone your name? Amigo!
Oh.
Amigo it is.
Very good.
There's so many of them today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How about you? He's up.
Oh.
How are you all feeling today, good?
Yes.
Excellent. Now not only that, Amigo he also loves to sing and he can sing the birthday song. Okay, so by any chance, anyone who's celebrating your birthday today, just raise up your hands.
Wow, happy birthday.
Alright, now this next song goes out to you. Amigo, are you ready? Let's sing.
Wow, goosebumps guys. Galing niya.
Good job. Let's go. Come on, Alpha. We're gonna fly to Shariel, okay? Just small, rich, or even big, and brightly colored. Now your feet gives them the strength and stability to move up and down branches. Hop by both first. Now hot wheels, they have three toes upright. Thank you very much, Oris, the Oriental High Mountain. And a touchdown, congratulations, area or village. You will be blessed with good luck. So in a very short while, Vicky here will be inspecting the man's cavity to see if she likes it. Now the female.
Wow.
He understood. Our hot wheels, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when they landed on for our monkey fish, we use feet as well as not.
Wow, so many pelicans. Oh. Wow. Ah. Laki. Oh. Flamingos. Wow. Ay. Wow, grabe.
Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy meeting our beautiful Wings of the World. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday!
Bye everyone.
Wow! Goosebumps guys. Highly recommended to. Puntahan nyo. Ang saya nila dun, no? Imagine na train nila yung mga ganyang ibon. So majestic guys to see those birds. They are so talented. They are so happy. Oh, so good. People are enjoying this so much. So now guys, everything is finished. The show, napanood na natin lahat. Then we will go now to the penguins. Guys, tapos na nga tayo mag-view ng mga penguin. Ang masasabi ko dito, relax lang siya and na-amaze din naman ako kasi first time ko na makakita ng mga penguins. And nakaka-relax lang dahil ito yung hinuli ko kasi malamig dito. Na-enjoy ko naman. 5 out of 5 ang rating natin. And yan na. Tapos na tayo. Pupunta naman ako next sa River Wonders